Right. Wasn't going to take a video of this, but it's pretty amazing. Hold on to your hats. This is the Trummelbach Waterfall. The sign down there said 20,200 tons of rock come through this waterfall every year on the way out, just like rubbish, like rubble. And 20,000 litres of water a second are drained through this hole in the mountain. This is the outside waterfall number 1. This is like the exit to the tunnel. And I wasn't that impressed at first, but you come up here, the speed at which this water just pummels down the mountain is amazing. I hope this thing's waterproof. I'm going to get it closer. That's bloody amazing. That's only the first one. There's 7 more to go. See if they're any good later.